Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting apple cider, or the unfiltered juice from pressed apples. Like other vinegars, it is known for its ability to fight many types of bacteria and viruses. Apple cider vinegar contains several organic acids that have been shown to kill Propionibacterium acnes. In particular, succinic acid has been shown to suppress inflammation caused by Propionibacterium acnes, which may prevent scarring. Also, lactic acid has been shown to improve the appearance of acne scars. What's more, apple cider vinegar may help dry out the excess oil that causes acne in the first place. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar and 3 parts water. Use more water for sensitive skin. After cleansing, gently apply the mixture to the skin using a cotton ball. Let sit for 5 to 20 seconds, rinse with water and pat dry. Repeat this process 1 or 2 times per day, as needed. It is important to note that applying apple cider vinegar to your skin can cause burns and irritation, so it should always be used in small amounts and diluted with water. Summary: the organic acids in apple cider vinegar may help kill acne-causing bacteria and reduce the appearance of scars. Applying it to the skin may cause burns or irritation, so it should be used carefully.